I'm Elsie Vance. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make very different, very delicious and very quick chutney which is going to be liked by everyone. Chutneys, when we are talking about chutneys, we use chutney at any time of the day. Maybe in breakfast, lunch, snacks or dinner. Breakfast, idli dosa, pasarettu, or any other snacks. Okay, we have coconut chutney, green chutney. We are talking about dahi vada, we are talking about chaat, then we think about mita chutney. And we have something else also, green chutney, which goes with almost everything. Now, today's chutney is neither green or white or any of these chutneys which we are used to. Very different one. So, we are going to make chutney with beetroot and capsicum. Yes, you heard me right. Beetroot capsicum chutney. So, let's get started. For our beetroot capsicum chutney, I am taking 1 cup of chopped capsicum, 1 cup of boiled and chopped beetroot, 1 teaspoon of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies, and just more than 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chopped. Also, I'll have tamarind pulp, jaggery, and salt. So let's start cooking it. My pan is on and I put 2 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Let the oil get heated. Let's keep the flame in low to medium, not on very high, so that the oil doesn't get burnt and our stuff also doesn't get burnt. Our oil is hot, so let's put the ginger garlic first. Like I said earlier, don't keep the flame on full. We just want to get the raw smell of ginger and garlic to get over. Let's put the green chilies and the curry leaves. Let's add our capsicum. Let it get fried. The capsicum is just getting cooked. In fact, it has to be fried or roasted. If you wish, you can reduce the oil. Let's talk about capsicum. Capsicums are also known as peppers, bell pepper, chilies. They are in color, different colors like red, green and yellow. They are very good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. And also, they have a lot of fiber, dietary fiber, so it's very good in our diet. The fiber always helps us to control our cardiovascular system, the diabetes, and these are also very good source of vitamin E and the sugar. When you eat the capsicum, especially the yellow and red one, you will find it is sweeter than the green one. But these are the dietary sugars which doesn't affect at all, in the sense it is okay for the diabetics to have these peppers. And of course it gives lovely fragrance and color to your food. So one must add capsicum or the bell peppers in our daily diet. Now the capsicums are almost getting fried. We want the rawness of the capsicum to go. So meanwhile we'll put our boiled and chopped beetroots and fry it for some more time. Look at the color combination. Bright red or maroon and green. Whenever we are having any food items or any meal, we always look for the color of the food, because if the color is attractive, then it is appetizing. It's a human psychology, in fact. That is why we all love to decorate our food, decorate our dishes when we are presenting it onto the table. It gives a very appetizing look to the person who is going to have it. So let's get this fried for some more time. By the time the capsicum and the beets are getting fried, let's talk about the benefits and the importance of having beetroot in our diet. Beetroot is known as one of the superfood. It's very high in calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. It's very low in calorie, even though it tastes sweet, but it's very low in calorie. It has very high fiber content. It has anti-cancer properties, anti-cardiovascular disease properties. Also, it helps in digestive health and helps in lowering your blood pressure. So anybody having doubts about the sweet and colorful vegetable, please be rest assured it's one of the very important and very good vegetable, root vegetable in fact. We are going to have it in our food, and I suggest capsicum and beetroot. After knowing about the properties of this and the benefits of this, one should include in our daily meal so that it helps in bringing our good health. And like I said, the beetroot is a very good antioxidant. It will help you in having very good glowing skin. As you can see, our capsicum and our beetroot are almost done. They are almost fried or roasted, you can say. We can put up the gas now and let it cool before we grind to a nice chutney. The beetroot and capsicum mixture is cooled, so we are going to grind them. I am going to put 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp and half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. All these things can be adjusted as we finish here grinding and the chutney is ready. Our chutney is ground and ready, and we'll transfer it to a serving bowl and let's enjoy it. Wow, what a lovely color and texture. The deep red color of this chutney is so very tempting. I just cannot wait. We can enjoy it with some nice hot pakoras, but sorry dears, I cannot wait till I make pakoras. I am going to enjoy it with some potato chips. Few tips about this chutney. This can be used as a chutney, as I mentioned. It can be given as a dip. Also, while making it, the spices all can be adjusted according to your taste. If you want it to be done very fast, make the pieces of the beetroot and the capsicum very small so that it gets fried faster. Also, if you don't like the taste of ginger garlic slightly burnt, as and when it leaves the raw taste, just take it off and then fry the capsicum and the beetroot. It's a dip, it's a spread, it's a chutney. We can have it along with chapatis, parathas, toast, dosas and hot rice. The shelf life of this is more than a week in the fridge if it remains, as I always say. I want to tell you one thing here. This video was made on the request of one of my very dear friend who had already tasted my chutney, and she wanted me to make the video. Thank you, dear friend. Hope you all like this video. Please put your comments in the comment section. Like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe for my channel if you are not done yet. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications and the coming videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.